Hello YouTube. Sometimes I take a break from tech to eat. And lately I've been trying to eat more healthy. I can remember a time when I was younger when I could eat anything I want and not gain any weight and remain thin and good looking. I'm still good looking, but I'm not that thin. So now I have to deal with high blood pressure and diabetes. Bad thing is, it runs on both of my family, so I was doomed from the get-go. So now I have to be more cautious about what I eat. Recently, I picked up an air fryer. I really don't want to give up the foods that I love, but I can make them a little bit healthier, at least in theory. In addition, I am eating less of those foods, but foods like fried chicken, for example, I still love, and I need a little oil to cook them in the air fryer. I used to use those aerosol cans, but they are so expensive. So when I got the opportunity to check this out, I jumped on it, and I'm glad that I did. Now I can fill this with the provided funnel with an inexpensive oil and lightly coat my foods very easily. Also, this is not limited just to oil. You could use lemon juice, vinegar, etc. It is made from ABS plastics and glass. And I can say I like it a lot. It's durable and it doesn't seem like it's gonna break. This have a nice, easy to use, precise pump. Now, let's get back to tech. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if I missed something, you know what to do. But if your feeling is a little bit more complicated than that, or you have a suggestion, please leave a comment. Also, I stream several times a week on Twitch. The schedule is in the video description. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute. Best believe I am a social guy.